All right, hey, this is George Reid with the McPherson Cars Club. I'm here with Francis Abate. Francis, what do we have behind us?
What we have behind us is a 1970 Mercedes-Benz 300 SEL 6.3.
I gotta ask, what's the meaning behind that?
The 6.3 is the designation for the engine, so it's a 6.3 liter V8, and it's somewhat of a rare, unique car in the lineup.
It's not a diesel, is it?
It is not a diesel,
There it is.
even though many people ask that question.
All right, so now I have to know, how long have you had the car?
I've had the car about 16 years or so.
16.
Yeah.
Do any touring in it?
I have gone across country 4 times, and I was in Wisconsin last year for my internship and took the car up there and did 3,500 miles on the car last summer.
So, Francis, what made you fall in love with Mercedes?
You know, I saw the body style at one point in the 80s, and it was just something that always was on my mind in terms of the design, the features, the rich leather inside, and the colors on the outside. They always seemed like really well built, really interesting cars.
The wood gets me. I love the wood inside.
The wood grain is amazing. It's a veneer wood, and oftentimes if it's left outside, it's hard to recreate.
So, Francis, you're not a conventional student coming out of high school here, obviously, unless you make 23 look really good. No, so what's your road to McPherson?
You know, my road to McPherson is that my wife and I decided to reinvent ourselves a few years ago. She went back to school and got a master's degree in integrative health and nutrition. And I had discovered the school back in 2012 through Summer Institute and a friend of ours back in Colorado. I wanted to make the dream come alive, exercise my passion, and go for a second career. So here I am.
Hey, that's awesome. There's no quit in you. Yeah. Well, hey, can we take a look at this thing?
We absolutely can take a look at it, yeah.
So, we're going to see this at the car show?
This will be on the car show green, student section. Absolutely.
Awesome. Well, hey, thanks for letting us come look at this thing.
George, thank you. You're welcome.
Hey.
I appreciate you looking at the 6.3.
We love this thing.
Thanks.
Gonna look good out there.
Absolutely.
We'll catch you guys on the next episode of Project Sheds.